What is he doing?
Yeah, he's gonna jump off.
But what is he doing?
I think he's autistic.
Fuck.
Sorry, I'm recording. I can't say autistic. I think that might offend the YouTube
Are you actually
community.
recording?
Yep.
Okay.
Subscribe to Gaming with Detrimental.
Shout out.
Shout out. I've actually got my Discord overlay on the top left so people can see who's talking. I need some of the. I need that funny moment meter in the corner, please. We need to get those funny moments for YouTube, you know.
Hell yeah. Funny moment montage.
Overwatch funny moments montage. Oh, that's autistic. Lucio.
Fucking Sim.
Yes!
Oh my god,
Let's
Sim Lucio.
go.
Oh my god. We go left side. We're going left side.
Oh.
Some unsuspecting
So far
soul.
we've got like 100% win rate on. Oh, there's a Hanzo.
This is the strat. Okay, don't worry. We prevail. There's someone down here. Oh my god.
I booped him because he was.
Lucio sees me.
Where are you?
Here? I'm gonna die. Get away, get away, get away, get away. They have a Lucio. I need to kill Lucio. Lucio's so low. He's one.
Speed boost.
Speed boost
Yeah,
my
let's
ass.
go. Heal boost. Let's go. If you die, that's like.
They're really low.
Yeah, am I meant to kill them?
Zarya's one.
I
Oh
could-
my god, Hanzo carried.
I could have, but you know.
The Hanzo carried so hard. He was 1 HP too.
It's because this guy's like not letting the game choose him, man.
Yeah.
Bro,
That is actually why we're losing.
gotta let the game.
Plays fucking Widow. We need a third person. That's what we
For
need.
you.
For this to be fun.
Yeah, dude. So I can get those funny moments for YouTube, you know.
Yeah, fucking Widow, dude. Actually got Genji. Okay. 3 DPS.
Oh wait, I'm playing McCree. Wait, is that a road? If that's
They have
a
a
road,
Zen. I'm
dog,
pretty sure they
is
have a
that
Zen.
road?
Oh my god.
No, that's Winstony. Future down here. So if you don't pick a hero in 3v3 or randomly select one, which is what we were attempting to do, but got a bit sidetracked. Goodbye. You know that funny moment meter? You gotta
No.
throw in some.
I mean, yeah,
Gotta throw
totally.
in some dad jokes there. Yeah, in editing, I'll just put a funny moments meter on the bottom left. Okay. So a Bastion walked into a bar, but he couldn't order. Do you know why? Because there was no counters.
Why is that? Huh. Why did Sarah fall off the swing?
Why?
Because she had no arms.
What's wrong with
Yeah.
you?
I mean, it's a good joke. I'm gonna die because I'm Doom cunt.
Hannah's down.
I'm dead. Because I'm a Doom cunt.
No, we win.
Danny, you're Roadhog. Easy. Easy win.
Easy win, right?
Free win.
Wait, you died? Or you auto?
Yeah, we're dead, but they have Soldier and Winston. Don't let the Soldier heal Winston.
How low is Winston?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Winston's pretty low, I think.
And the healing, knew it.
Yeah. Oh, that's hella hook, dude.
No, wait.
Come on. Oh, that's a reload. That's a cancer.
One heal.
That's a Kappa Pride. Yeah, you're gonna have. Oh, shoot him a couple of times. You'll have that. Easy.
Get in the corner.
Easy.
Get in the corner. Get in the right corner. Get in the corner.
Roadhog's such a fucking
I'm
carrot.
in my little corner.
He's too hard to. That hook was pretty bullshit though.
What do you mean?
On the Soldier, that hook was at.
On my screen, that was perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Okay, back to the funny moments meter, because that was the only funny joke we've told so far.
I'm running out of dad jokes, so I only know one. That's not even a dad joke, it's a fucking shit joke. Why did Timmy drop his ice cream?
Because he had no arms.
No, because he got hit by a bus.
Why does Sombra live in Mexico?
Because she's Mexican.
No, because she was deported, dude.
Oh shit. Right. Oh
It's
god,
funny.
I'm hovering over top.
Did you hear that? The funny moment meter just broke.
What, because it's too
No,
funny?
Junkrat just laughed.
Oh, okay.
Junkrat.
Was that too funny?
Yeah, man, that breaks the funny moment meter.
I think Doomfist cock breaks the funny meter.
Roadhog didn't actually pass English.
Well, he is from New Zealand. Shit. That wasn't even a joke.
No, that's a bit deep, man. It's a bit too real.
Oh shit. Real low meter. Windstorm.
Real, meter.
It's
Yeah,
your
man.
video. It's your video, bro.
The title of the video is
The game. Let the game decide.
the game, letting the game meta. No, Blizzard meta, Blizzard meta.
Yes, the Blizzard meta.
Select your hero.
We gotta spread word, man.
Thug player. Lovely.
Everyone watching, you know, always remember to spread the word of this strategy. And, of course, like the video, subscribe. Detrimental, you gotta tell my viewers to subscribe.
Better fucking subscribe, or I'll get Doomfist black cock in your ass.
Oh, hands is one. Bitch not hot. Man's not hot. Now we see wild Bastion Detrimental in his natural habitat.
So monkey
Slowly
retarded.
observe as he continuously pumps his fuel into the enemies. Unnoticed in his surroundings, he seems to be unable to climb out of masters.
And you can't even get into diamond.
Shut up. What does it mean by man's not hot? Can you further
Means man's not
elaborate,
hot.
please? Man, further elaborate, please.
It means that man is not on fire. Yeah.
Man is not on fire. Okay.
Yeah.
Arriving at Eagle.
That was
I
Turbulence
want
nightmare.
Szechuan sauce.
Fuck, how do you do it?
How do you do what? What the fuck? Detrimental.
I can't go that high. Gonna pick any time.
Could you imagine Winston is just a black guy? Just
Probably
pony.
is.
Winstone.
Score.
I mean, Reaper is. Why can't Winston?
No, Reaper's Mexican, dude.
No, Reaper's fucking black.
No, he's Mexican.
No, he's black.
You do know he's Mexican, right?
No, he's black. Are you
Oh.
retarded?
Have you not seen his like origin skin?
No, because his
What?
orange skin is Agent Reyes, you fucking moron.
The true enemy.
You're on about Reaper,
He's
right?
fucking yeah, Reaper.
Yeah,
he's fucking
Mexican.
whatever his name is. Is it Reyes?
Reyes. Yeah.
Yeah. He's black.
Oh, no, he's actually Mexican, dude. Have you not?
Doesn't mean he's not black.
Oh, well, I don't know. What are Mexican people?
And he's not even Mexican, I swear to God.
He is he's Mexican, dude. Look at the law.
Play of the
Okay, good.
game.
This was actually quite nice, eh? Dude, oh no, like, why do you do that?
Detrimental. 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 Funny moments meter off the charts right now.
Fuck off. I was giving you a funny moment.
Arriving at
Was that better?
I want Szechuan sauce.
Oh, we got a fat beard.
select your
Yes.
Wait, join voice. What, join
Fat beard.
Join-
I am in
join-
team
join
chat.
chat.
I'm in it.
Fat Beard.
Yo, fat beard. What up?
Yo, my boy, Fat Beard. It'd be funny if he left the voice.
Oh, fat beard. Come on,
Fat
man.
Beard, come on, Fat Beard. We're all
Bastion,
counting on
let's
you, Fat
fucking
Beard.
go.
Come on, let's go. Fat
Oh! Yes!
Yes, fat
That's
beard.
easy. Squad.
Beard. Let's go. Oh my god, they got a Hanzo.
I have a Hunzo. No one
Fat
likes
Beard, I'm
Widow.
spectating you. You don't let me down.
I hate Widow so much.
eliminated.
Now we spectate the wild Fat Beard.
Fuck is he doing?
What are you doing, Fat Beard?
Go on, son. He's playing around your trap, that's why. Quite smart. Yes!
Yes, Fat Beard, I'm so proud.
Easy.
Oh no, Fat Beard, that's a widow. Yes,
Oh!
Fat Beard. Yes, Fat
Oh!
Beard. Oh, Fat Beard.
Score 1.
Yes, son.
I'm proud.
Fucking carried.
Wait, who are you playing again?
Tracer.
Itch. 360 dab. Oh my god, I actually
360
got
dab.
him.
Dab
You
fist.
distracted me. When I'm panicking, I just say like random stuff, and you fucking distracted me by repeating it.
What? What did I repeat? I don't remember.
360 dab.
360 dab. That's funny. Yeah. 360 dab. Why am I laughing to that? I have no idea.
Haha, lol, so random.
Hello. Easy.
funny
Oh!
moment
Yeah,
That
boy!
headshot.
It's a Zen flip.
I'm so proud of you, fat bird. I think you really carried us this match.
Play of the game.
Yes!
Yes, fat bird.
Yes! Woohoo. This is so...
This is so good.
What is the Zen doing? Doesn't he right click that? This widow. Oh no. That's quite embarrassing. Fatbeard left the
has
voice.
left the voice channel. No, I'm
No.
sending a friend
No, we're Fatbeard!
Prepare for battle.
Yes.
Join voice
Fatbeard.
check. Fat beard.
Yes.
Fat beard. Fat beard. We missed you.
What SR is Fatbeard? Oh my god, it's diamond.
I feel like we could have a
Diamond
single
to GM.
video just completely around
Yeah.
fat beard.
Hanzo. Yes, I love in the
Oh,
pick.
One. Fight.
He said, "Oh no!" when off the map. No,
Don't
she
worry,
has
boy, I'm
shift.
here. Wait, what happened to Anna, dude?
Goodbye.
Go on, fat beard. 1v1 that widow. Oh, when he
At
just
the start
screeched.
again. Feels bad. Feels Fatbeard.
Feels fat beard.
I'm gonna go to the toilet while you queue.
Yeah, he's gonna go take a massive wank. Da 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 da
Now entering. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Fat beard, no.
Damn. Do you see his axe?
Yeah, I see his hammer. Okay, I'm pulling him off, by the way. So don't kill him. Just boop him closer to me.
Just fine, isn't it?
Actually, what if he charges me off the edge? Never thought of that one.
Suck, you hook him before he hits.
Enemy contact. 30 seconds.
That did 60 damage, what?
Yeah, it does 50 normally. If he shields. I don't want to hurt him, you know.
No, he's so
Okay, you
innocent.
don't.
Look at him.
He just looks so innocent, man.
He's actually gonna get the charge off.
Capture the objective.
I don't want to hurt him, and I don't think he wants to hurt me either. Befriending the enemy Reinhardt right here.
Oh yeah.
How long can this game last for? No!
Oh my god!
Oh, okay. You wanted it to be a
You
draw.
got fucking destroyed.
0 to 1. Prepare for battle.
You actually got
Select
destroyed.
your hero.
Well, I mean, he didn't.
Dude, did you know if you don't pick, you get a free blowjob?
Yeah, don't pick, dude. Nah, nah, nah. Unpick.
It's the
Unpick
Blizzard
to
meta.
invest. Dude, it's the Blizz meta. Gotta unpick. Unpick.
Guess who doesn't want a blowjob? Feels bad.
The Blizz meta is the most powerful thing I've ever experienced. How it feels to chew 5 gum. Hey, thank you for sticking through the entire video, and if you enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your stay.
Congrats!